welcome to Scribble Practice. This one's gonna be a quick one, I think. We're gonna use a piece of watercolor paper and some tubes of watercolor paint for this one. Really, I don't think it's gonna be possible to do this one with pan watercolors, which are the ones that come in the little, the little squares or rectangles. So basically you're just gonna put a whole bunch of watercolor onto your paper in dots. This is probably too much here, but I don't know if you can tell how much that is, but there's a lot of paint there. So you're just gonna dot on a bunch of these different colors all over your page. They can be in a line, they could be in a circle if you want. Really, it's really up to you. They could be close together, they could be far apart. Oh, this one doesn't want to open. Maybe I'll spread this one a bit. And then once we get all the dots on, I'm gonna do, I don't know, I just really felt like putting a little pink on with all these blues and turquoises. You can use any colors for this. It's really not a precious thing. What you're gonna do though now is, or what I'm gonna do, and I'd love for you to join me, is add a little water to each of these. Now, I'm gonna hold this up and I'm gonna hope that you can see it. You're gonna start on one of your dots and just add some water and let it sort of flow over the page. Just play with experimenting with where the water goes. And then rinse your brush. Do it with the next color. It doesn't have to be the same color that's in a row. Add some more water if you feel you need to. Might turn into something you really love. It might be something that is a muddy mess. Who knows? We're just playing, letting the colors do what they need to. I love that watercolors do these drippy, awesome slidey, watery things. That's what really makes them special in my mind. I want that to come together a bit. So you have a little bit of say, because you can put your brush on it. This one doesn't really, I forgot this paint really doesn't drip much. So that's gonna be a different one. All set. There's our piece for today. Woohoo! I love it. I have an idea for an experiment for tomorrow. So yeah, join me for that. I just love it. It's so fun. I feel like it's gonna be something too that you could color on once it's dry. My mind is moving, it's motoring. Anyway, thanks for being here today. If you'd like to support this creative work, there's a link down below. I'd love to send you a hand-painted thank you card. Otherwise, if you'd like to keep creating, right here. And I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.